How to make money on Temu step by step. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Temu app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you do that, click on the U icon at the bottom center of the screen, and once you are here, click on the option that says earn credits and free gifts. From here, click on the option that says redeem cash, and you will get to this page right here in which you will be able to make money on Temu. As you can see right here, you have this spinning wheel which will you spin in order to collect money. However, you have a limited spins, and in order to get more spins you need to refer your friends. So with each friend you refer, you will get some spins that you can use to spin the wheel and collect some coins, and once you collect the coins you will be able to get the money. As you can see at the top, it says 150 coins will give you $1, and it will keep going up, as we can see right here, as you go up in levels. So level 1 you will get $1, level 2 you will get $2, level 3 you will get $3, etc. And if you scroll down right here, it will explain to you more how it does work. It says how to redeem cash on Temu. Number 1, refer friends with your link, spin the wheel to earn coins, redeem your star coins for cash, and that's basically it. It's really straightforward. Refer friends, spin the wheel, collect the coins, and then redeem them to cash. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make money on Temu. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.